The G-Shock GA2000 and 200 is the all-new analog digital model released by Casio in July 2021. This model brings back the carbon core guard structure technology, which is very light and also very strong. Although it has a similar structure to its predecessor GA2000, but with a heavy industrial face, this model is actually more similar to the G-Shock GA900. And since its present, the G-Shock GA2200 has become the center of attention to replace the GA2000 model, which is starting to lose its appeal. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? Say hello to the G-Shock GA2000 and 200-2A, which comes in a very striking blue color. But this color actually looks pretty amazing, right? Well, maybe some people might avoid it, but we think it's a really attractive color. It comes with a light blue color combination with purple on the buttons and dial, while the round bezel with 6 metal screws has a tough and ball face that's perfect for taking with you on adventures. And you know what? The bezel also comes in a medium size, which is very ideal for most people. It doesn't matter if your wrist is small or big, this watch will definitely look amazing on you. And just look at that, the color isn't as bad as you think, is it? Especially if you want to change your appearance to be more fresh and stylish. This G-Shock GA2000 and 200-2A can be the perfect choice. The 3-tier construction seamlessly integrates bezel, caseback, and button to slim the case down to a mere 12.4mm. Sold for $130, in our opinion this could be the best deal for you. With the presence of a lightweight carbon core guard structure technology, the G-Shock GA2000 and 200 comes with a thickness of only 12.8mm or almost 10% thinner than its predecessor GA2000. Likewise, the overall weight of this analog digital G-Shock model can be reduced to only 57 grams. With this stat, there is no doubt that the G-Shock GA2000 and 200 model is one of the most compact and lightweight in the new G-Shock lineup. And of course, it's not just the carbon core guard structure that makes it so light. It also because of the application of resin material on almost all of these G-Shock GA2000 and 200. The inset dial indicator, inspired by an automotive brake disc, is enclosed in a semi-circular ring, both of which are treated in a vapor deposition finish for the metallic look of serious outdoor gear. Crafted separately, the parts and dial are then assembled to add dynamic dimensionality to the watch face. The digital display runs diagonally between the 4 and 6 o'clock position for a final touch of outright boldness. All functions on the G-Shock GA2000 and 200 are almost the same as the predecessor model GA2000, which is the basic function of Casio. There is no top solar feature on this model like most low-end G-Shock models. And unfortunately, Casio did not apply the guardless button structure on this GA2000 and 200 model as they did on the G-Shock GA2000. Obviously, we prefer the clean and elegant button design on the G-Shock GA2000 over the one on the GA2000 and 200. One thing that amazes us is the quality of the resin band material, which is very strong and very thick. It's definitely thicker when we compare it to the resin band on other G-Shock models. Of course, this is intended so that you can use this watch for more rush activities. But with a thicker resin material, it means that the flexibility level of the resin band is also getting harder and will reduce comfort when you use it, especially for long hour use. Casio has also added additional protection to the back cover of the G-Shock GA2000 and 200. This added protection will reduce the impact when the watch is dropped or accidentally bumped on the back. An interchangeable band system has been adopted for the G-Shock GA2000 and 200. This system will make removing and installing the band very easy and very fast. Now you don't need any special tools to remove this band. Just use your fingernails and you can remove and attach the band in less than 1 minute. And that's our review for this G-Shock GA2200-2A model. This analog digital watch is very worth buying because the price is quite cheap and comes with a very tough design. Unfortunately, there are no important features that Casio provides on the model they released in mid-2021. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.